Hello, welcome to the Alaska Raptor Center's clinic video, which will give you a better idea as to what we do in this part of the facility. In the clinic, we can see employees working to get a wild eagle out of a crate safely. This can be very dangerous if it's not done correctly. First, a leather jacket and gloves must be worn and a blanket used to protect the bird from being injured further. Not to worry about the blanket, their feathers are extremely durable. Jim has secured the eagle by holding on to both legs above the talons firmly. Sometimes an eagle fresh after a long plane ride is ready to move about and can be quite powerful when struggling and kicking. The eagle usually calms down after a minute or so. Here we see the eagle being prepared for an x-ray. Masking tape is used because it does not cause damage to the feathers. Birds do not attempt to move when being x-rayed because they cannot see with the leather hood around their head. Once again, the eagle briefly struggles in Jim's arms. Now the eagle is getting its blood tested. This is no easy feat, as most people do not enjoy getting poked and prodded, so you guessed it, neither do eagles. However, it is a very necessary part of the procedure to draw blood from the bird to find out what potential problems there could be. This is an x-ray of the eagle being evaluated by veterinarian Vicky Vosberg. Next, we have an eagle in ICU being examined. The eagle hood is placed on securely and they're ready to see how the bird's talon is doing. The right talon is working just fine. However, both talons suffered from an injury that required an amputation of a front digit on each foot. Jennifer is attempting to see whether or not the eagle has any ability to feel or use its left talon. It appears the eagle can at least feel its talon, though it shows no sign of being able to move it. If it does not heal, it will not survive in the wild and cannot be released. This is the Bald Eagle Flight Training Center. It's where birds go to recover after they've been treated in the clinic or the ICU. The Flight Center is a 20,000 square foot addition dedicated for eagles of all levels of flight ability. It's specifically designed to allow people to view in without the eagles knowing of their presence. After enough time has been spent in the Flight Training Center, eagles are evaluated for release. Here are two eagles being prepared for release back into the wild. What you are seeing is a process called coping by the use of a Dremel. Coping is something birds do naturally in the wild, just by everyday use. However, while recovering in captivity, beaks and talons can become dull, and we want their talons to be very sharp when they're released for hunting and their beaks to not be overgrown. Another step that we take before releasing the birds is that they receive a small metal tag around their leg that will allow us to keep track of eagles that may become injured again. And there it is, the successful release of the eagle.